How to fix system restore error 0x80042308 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Repeat this process with Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider and Windows Management Instrumentation. Restart your computer and attempt system restore again. If that didn't work, file system errors can disrupt system restore operations. Running a disk check can help identify and fix these errors. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If you receive an error, type in Y, close down command prompt, and restart your system. Wait till the scan is finished. If that didn't work, copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 4. Recreate system restore points. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.